Do you guys know who this is? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I know you have not seen me in what feels like months, but we're back. We are back. We are back with NASMAS, Natalie and Simone's Christmas Vlogmas with a twist. We will post every day in December. Every day. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. So along with telling you guys what we will be posting, I will be creating this look, which literally, if you need to jet, this is the perfect 5-minute look for you. Make sure that your notification bell is turned on so that you don't miss anything. Everything that I use for this look will be in the description down below because I'm just doing some talking, letting you guys know what we'll be doing for Vlogmas and what videos I plan on putting out. So here we go. So one day, like last week, I get a call from Simone and she's like, I have a crazy idea. Now, whenever she says that, it's either 1, I gotta spend a lot of money, or 2, I get stressed out. So she's laughing too. So I'm like, what is it? So she's like, have you heard of Vlogmas? I'm like, no, is it just like when you vlog for Christmas? She's like, except for the whole month. I was like, oh, okay. Like, I'm thinking she's gonna let me, like, or she's gonna give me like a YouTuber to watch or something. And she's like, I think we should do it.
Bitch, what?
And then she's like, yeah, you wanna do it? I'm like, do I want to do it? No, I don't want to do it. I don't want to post every day because I can't post once a week. But I was like, you know what? I wanted to get active with YouTube again, so fine, let's do it. What did I get myself into? So basically, we had to come up with ideas and of what our videos are going to be. So we decided to do some videos together and then videos separately rotating. So that's what we're gonna do, and we have some ideas down. We actually we have a calendar. We have Hair Wars, which we're doing again this year. If you didn't check out our video from last year, it will be in the description down below. So click that. We had superhero themes last year and it was pretty cool. So again, Simone and I are models, and we'll talk to you a little bit more about that, about who we're gonna be, what we're gonna do, and what they're gonna do to our hair, and of course we'll showcase it. I will also be traveling. I just purchased my ticket to Atlanta. The vlog from Atlanta from earlier this year will be posted in the links down below if you haven't watched that. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to Atlanta because I want to go to the Trap Music Museum.
Hey.
Isn't that fun? Like, I'm excited. So I'll be vlogging that. Hopefully they let me take my camera and stuff in there. So we'll see. If not, you'll see a whole bunch of pictures. Follow me on Instagram. It'll be somewhere over here. Because I post stories all the time. So if you want to just follow me around these 31 days, that is the place to be. So you can get like a little bit of behind the scenes and all that stuff. So since I'm going to Atlanta, I will also be filming a packing video because I'm not taking any luggage. All I'm taking is a backpack. You're gonna travel to Atlanta with just a backpack? Yes, I am. You know why? Because I'm cheap. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to travel light. What else am I gonna be doing? Okay, I'm in charge of the Christmas vlog, and so you'll see like my family, like what we do during Christmas. I'm Spanish, so we celebrate Christmas on the 24th, so you'll see that Christmas vlog on the 26th. Another thing that we're gonna do is we're filming together. So We have some group videos as well, not just us individually. And one of those things is ice skating, and I'm gonna bust my ass. So, last time I went ice skating was maybe when I was like -0. Like, I don't know, like 10 years old. And it was the most horrible experience that I've ever had. We're gonna do a Walmart challenge. So we're gonna spend $50 and we're gonna see who gets the best outfit from Walmart.
Huh?
Do not sleep on Walmart. Yo, I've been doing my research. Then we're going to Christmas shop for each other. Hopefully I get something that she likes. But hopefully she gets something I like. For real. But let's see. Get a little highlight in there. Just a little bit. When I'm in the car by myself, does anybody else do this? I practice my English accent, my British accent, however you want to say it. I think I'm getting pretty good, actually, if you ask me. Because I'm like, if I'm talking to myself, I might as well just, you know, work on my accents. So I do that. I'm a little crazy, you know what I'm saying? No, that's not British. I don't know what that is. Delete that part. Anyway, so when you're doing fast makeup, like, this is really all you need. If I wasn't talking, I would have definitely done this in 5 minutes, but it's been like 10. Yes, honey, where am I going? Not know damn where because it's late. To sum it all up, I will be filming my average day. So I don't think I'm gonna do it on a work day. I might incorporate it. I don't know how it's gonna work. So everything that I just threw out there is not necessarily set in stone. You know, life happens sometimes, so there might be things that, honey, these eyebrows. Look at that. Okay, not necessarily set in stone, you know, life happens, so we might have to do some tweaking to it. Hopefully not, because it's set in stone in my calendar, so I get stressed out if something changes. So, and yeah, just let's see, pray for me, you know, keep me in your prayers, because your girl be tripping. I feel like I got to blend a little bit. Let me just buffer that out. I'm just brushing that jump up so it can blend in there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just buffer it. Honey. Alright, listen. So, if I knew that this was this quick and easy, like, I would be doing this every day, because shorty be looking crazy at work, okay? Your girl is popping. Last but not least, so while we're doing Vlogmas, we're going to try to do some things that are holiday related, of course. But not just that. We're going to show you our average days and our average lives and just basically what we do on a normal basis. We are going to incorporate like some makeup routines, some hair routines, things that you can do in the holiday season. And travel. So I don't want to speak on what Simone's gonna do. I'm gonna let her do that, and hopefully you guys stay tuned, because I feel like we have so much in store for you. It's not just for one audience, but it's for everybody. And please, I said this stuff is not set in stone, and I meant it. Like, yeah, I be tripping sometimes, like I be stressed out, but like, it's okay. it's okay. We're just having fun. Like, YouTube is fun. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. And if there's something that like we see that catches our eye, either one of us, like, we could just incorporate that into one of our 31 days. And so we love it when you guys interact with us, because it lets us know like who's watching, and that lets us know like what we should post and stuff like that. So we want to make it so that everybody can watch our channel, you know what I'm saying? So I still feel like something's missing. First of all, the fact that I think this is like the same color as my lips. Let's just blend it in with a little bit. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of this on my finger and just like, I don't know.
Bruh.
Now this is funny. Okay. And I would say like you spray some setting spray, honey, and you are good to go. Like if you want to do your eyebrows, you can. But these little Jones looking fresh, you know what I'm saying? If you need to add a little more bronzer or whatever, feel free just to liven it up a little bit. So this is the final look. It would have taken me 5 minutes if I didn't have to speak to. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Share the love, spread the love. Let's be interactive. I want to meet more of you guys, and I'm always down to interact with you guys. I'm nice if you haven't noticed already. You know what I'm saying? I could be in your best friend or something. You never know. Thank you for watching, and thank us later.